Always gotta film in case I eat shit. Get a little reel for the gram, you know. About 2:30 in the afternoon. I want to get on the canal and hopefully I crack them. The only problem is, well, honestly, I was gonna go out to a lake, but there's like 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so canal will hide you from that wind if you need to. And it's close to my house, so here we go. I'm gonna fish till dark, and I think I'm gonna do my best 5 today. You know, push myself. I don't think I've ever done a best 5 on the canal. I don't even know what my best 5 would be out here. So that's the deal for today. Let's get into it. Rain's supposed to freaking be done by now. I said rain was gonna end about 2 o'clock. It's 2:30. Still sprinkling. Hopefully it does. I don't want to get soaked out here, but if I do, I do. Just a little guy. Hey, we're on the board though. Not gonna make the team. Thanks anyway, dude. Oh shit. First fish of the day. Thank you, buddy. No. Oh my God. That's how realistic it looks. I've never had that happen before. Blue heron went to go bite. Oh God, get it. That was, someone just freaking hit it. I didn't get it again. What is with it? That's the one complaint I have about this. Doesn't seem to get good hookup ratio. Watched it get hit, but the fish didn't. I don't know, I haven't had a fish that try to really get it here. No! Bass just came and freaking smoked it. Didn't get hooks at all. There it is. Oh. Gotcha that time. Okay. Maybe you weren't big, but he came all the way out of the water for the first time, so it looked pretty big. And I missed it. They always look bigger when you miss them. Ooh. Okay. What's funny is I don't throw a glide in the canal all that often. All right. 14.5. 14.5. This camera's recording. All right, thank you, buddy. I don't know what is going on with the back camera today. I just put a new cord on it. Maybe a bunk cord. Who knows? 14.5 to start the day out. No! Got it. That's a good one. Yeah, he wanted that. Oh, you got troubles in you, bro. Can't play around. We'll get stuck together. 14.5. What's this one at? 15 quarter. 15 and a quarter. 15 quarter. Right where it's supposed to be. Did exactly what it's supposed to do. Love it. You're the size of the damn lure, dude. What the hell are you thinking? There you go. Well, they will hit top water if the weather, or if the water is calm enough, I guess. No, mother. Had one. Oh, that sucks. Yeah. I stopped. Oh, God. Damn it. It is so wrapped up on me, too. It got me in the grass and there was no shot at it. What am I hooked on here? Just had one hit, but it missed. Couldn't tell how big it was. It looked like maybe a 14-inch or something. Still trying to get a limit though, so it would have been welcomed. But then my camera was messing up, so there you go. Didn't leave the area with nothing. Got a little guy. Okay. Got main hook too. Freaking smoked it. That was awesome. Smallest limit ever. It's kind of a kayak bass though. He's really skinny, but he's longer than he is fat. I'll take that. Let's see here. Oh yeah, 14 quarter, baby. 14 quarter. Let's see here. 14 quarter. Thank you, bud. Am I really doing it? I think I am, because I got no other options. Let's see here. I got about a 20-minute ride back. It's 6 o'clock. Let me fish these cattails a little bit, see what's popping. I don't know if I can go all the way to that fucking bridge. It's so far. Oh my God. That was a good one. Damn it. I think that was a bass. It looked big. Whatever it was big. Bigger than anything I've caught today. Didn't fucking get it though. I don't know how. Might have been a pike. I don't know. It was fucking long. All I saw was its back. I was already looking to like where my next catch should be. And that's a pike. Ooh, get that thing out of here. I gotta order these and wait for them to get here in the mail. And my wife's about to take a vacation, so we're broke. I cannot be affording to lose it. There's gotta be times of year where they're on this ship, but I've been here in spring. I've been here all different types of year. Never seen a fish on these cattails. I had some hope when those two fish back there just hit, but Yes, okay. Thanks to the day so far. He's not very long, but he's fat. Been eating good. Got the black lipstick on him. Uh, 15 3/4. Can't get him there. 16. God damn it, dude. Just chill out. 15 3/4. Thank you, buddy. Ooh. Almost a limit. There's one. Stay on. I need my limit. No, almost lost you. Dude, you are dark. What the heck? It's like a really weird looking bass. And I don't think you're 12 inches. So it's like a pond bass. It's a large one, but not 12 inches right now. Alright. You know. You never know. He's a fatty. Looking for like a depth change or something. This isn't a depth change, but it's such like a corner pocket. I would be shocked if I don't see a fish. At least, right? Oh, or have one on and lose it. Oh my God. Be like the other one. Give me another shot. Foot and a half. Oh, raccoon. What's up, bud? How you doing? Just chilling? Surprised to see me? Man, they are shallow. Oh, good. Look how fat this thing is. Holy crap. Not very long. Absolutely. Oh, he's pissed. He's got fucking some teeth on him. Damn. I'll call him 16. Yeah, I'll call him 16 half. Damn. Biggest of the day, 16 half. This thing probably weighs like freaking 3 pounds. This is a stud fish. Thank you, bud. Oh, a little show too. Damn. Biggest of the day, 16 half. This thing probably weighs like freaking 3 pounds. This is a stud fish. Thank you, bud. Whoa, a little show too. Really wanted one more just to end the night. Oh, that was a good one. Come on, get back in there. Definitely a good one. Come on, come and get it. Oh my God, he got it again. I doubt I'm getting a third shot at it, but maybe if he didn't get hooks any of those times. Come on, man. Yeah. Oh my God, a third time. I can't believe it. There's no way I'm getting a fourth. Unless he's just so pissed off he's trying to kill this thing. Pretty sure he got hooked that time. Yeah, he did. Oh, I can't believe it. 3 freaking tries. Seemed like a good one. Didn't fully see him, man. It's kind of dark, but damn. God, I love fishing. Never want to stop, but I have to. All right, that's gonna have to do it. Freaking missed the fish that gave my glide bait 3 chances. No fourth. It's okay. I gotta head back into this wind, so hopefully my motor is all fixed and good to go. And it's not gonna catch on fire on me. Because I got a freaking haul and a half ahead of me. All of it right into the wind. So I will add up everything when I get home and edit the video. I don't remember off the top of my head everything, and I didn't take pictures. I should have, because then I could have done it on this long ride back and added it up, told you what my total was. If I had to guess, I'd say like, you know, 74 or something like that. Nothing great, unfortunately, but yeah, I'll let you guys know, and it'll be a while till I figure it out, but you'll know in about, I don't know, 30 seconds. If you stuck around, appreciate you. I hope you liked the video. I'll check you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.